Yo, what is up everyone? It is me, Camden Bell here for another episode on Camden Plays, and today we're going to be talking about getting all of the gems in Prodigy. Now, I've already done a main video on my channel of me actually getting all of these gems. As you can see right here, I published it a while ago, has a good amount of views, and I basically got all of the gems. But in that video, it was more gameplay, and today I'm going to be discussing and breaking down basically the process of me getting all of the gems in Prodigy. So first we're going to take a look at this video, and then we're going to talk about how I actually managed to get every single gem in Prodigy in 2021. So if you guys are new here, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, because we're posting videos almost daily on this Camden Plays channel, and of course sub to my main channel because we're posting banger challenge videos of Prodigy almost every single week. But yeah guys, let's head straight into the video. First we're gonna watch this. So I'm muting myself in this video right here because I'm just gonna be talking about it. But yeah, in this video I managed to get all of the gems in Prodigy. Now, I'm pretty sure I was on another account because, of course, on my main account, I already got all of the gems. But yeah, this account was pretty stacked, so all I needed left was the Earth. I'm pretty sure, like, the gem from Firefly Forest, and so that is what I went ahead and did. So, let's just go. Let's see what happens, and let's head to Firefly Forest. Alright, so I don't remember exactly what I did. I'm pretty sure I just edited the video, so I'd go right to where I actually got the final gem, the final boss battle. If you guys didn't know, I'm pretty sure to get every gem in Prodigy, what you have to do is just beat the final boss battle. Like, you have to get the final win, I guess, or like beat that final boss in the game. And then once you do that, I'm pretty sure you guys are set and you actually do get like the gem for that area. So let's just skip to see where I do it. This is the boss battle. This is the boss battle against, I'm not actually sure his name, but it is the boss for the Leaf area in Prodigy. So I just went ahead and battled this guy, and once you battle this guy, you actually are going to get the Firefly gem, I'm pretty sure it's called, or the Earth gem, or whatever you want to say. But this was the final gem that I needed, and if we just skip ahead through this battle a little bit, you can see that I actually ended up winning this battle, which means I did collect every single gem in Prodigy. As you can see right there, I just won the battle. And that was the final boss battle for this area, which was Firefly Forest. I want to show you guys one more clip though of someone getting the final gem from another area, and then we're going to go ahead and talk about how you guys can actually manage to get all the gems yourself in Prodigy. Alrighty guys, so we are now on Flamefox video. Shout out to Flamefox. Flamefox also got all of the gems in Prodigy, as you can see, but his battle was not in the Firefly Forest actually. His battle was in, I'm pretty sure, the water area. I'm pretty sure it's called Bonfire Spire or Shipwreck Shore, whatever it was at the time. But he actually had to do a lot of battling because he was in Shipwreck Shore compared to, going into Firefly Forest. So this is just a good spit up video. Shout out to Flamefox again. Go sub to him right now. Alright, but he is going to go ahead and battle in the Shipwreck Shore, and we're just gonna take a look at this really fast. Alright, so he's just doing a ton of battles. Thank you so much for speeding up this video. I do appreciate it, otherwise it would take a lot of time. But I mean, this is not an easy feat doing all these battles. So we are gonna go ahead and skip to the actual final battle. I'm pretty sure it's right here. Defeat the boss. It's time to go and defeat the boss in Prodigy. So let's see this. Alright, so this one is the old one. As you can see, he's on top of this little octopus type guy, and this is in Shipwreck Shore. Keep that in mind guys. I know I'm keep saying it, but it's different. Alright, depending on where you get your final gem in Prodigy, it can be different. You know, you have to defeat all the bosses and stuff, so it can take a little bit of time if you don't don't already have it done or whatever. But let's go ahead and see when he actually defeats this monster, which I'm pretty sure is actually after this question. So let's see. Alright, correct answer. GG's by the way, GG's by the way. So let's take a look at this really fast, and let's see. Boom, I'm pretty sure that's the final spell. You won the battle. Congrats bro, congrats. But let's go ahead and see. Does he get the gem is the question. He's not going to get the stars, not going to get the extra member stars, but is he going to get the gem? He might have actually already got it, or it might be in here. I'm pretty sure it's right there. There you go. He got some Yars, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna head back and actually go ahead and collect the final gem of Shipwreck Shore. Here's the Shipwreck gem, guys. Look at it really fast. It's right there, Shipwreck gem. And that is essentially it, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna head back to Prodigy, and we're gonna be talking about some ways you can actually get gems yourself. Alrighty, guys, we are here logging into Prodigy, and as you can see, I just saw 2 examples of people getting gems in Prodigy. But how do you actually get all of the gems in Prodigy? And it's actually a lot simpler than you probably think. As you can see on my main account, I do have 4 gems. I don't have the final gem because I'm waiting to save it for another video, but I have gotten all the gems on multiple other accounts, so I do know the process in getting all of the gems. But how do you get it? As you can see, you have to go to the certain area. If you guys did not know, some of you may know, you have to go to a certain area where that gem is. For example, in Shiverchill Mountains, you're going to be able to get, I believe, the Shiverchill gem, if I'm not mistaken. Gems, it is the Shiverchill gem. Alright, there's also the Bonfire gem, the Skywatch gem, the Shipwreck gem, and then as you saw earlier in the video from one of my videos, the Firefly Forest gem. I'm pretty sure it's called the Firefly gem. But essentially, you have to find areas along the map, like Bonfire Spire. Skywatch, I'm pretty sure, has one. Firefly Forest definitely has one. Shiverchill Mountains has one. And Shipwreck Shore has one. And all of these areas are going to give you a certain gem. And that is actually how you collect all of the gems. Now, I'm pretty sure if you get all of the gems or something like that, or there's a certain thing you can do, you can actually go to the Academy Great Hall. As you can see, I've already placed this pedestal, the Earth one, or the Firefly gem. So that's why I don't have it in my inventory, guys, is because I've already placed it, I'm pretty sure. Like, as you can see right here, if I go to my gems, I don't have it here, but I do have it here. But in the future, if you collect all the gems, hopefully we'll be able to place each gem in each of the pedestals up here. Alright, and then if you do that, I'm pretty sure you can go up here, and there's different towers, I believe. Yeah, the Academy, like, this area is locked right now. However, I'm pretty sure if you go around here, you should be able to find the Earth Tower. Exactly, the Earth Tower is right up here. These are still locked, and I'm not sure when they are going to open. But that is basically it. So if you want to get all of the gems, make sure to battle in all of the areas that give you the gems, win the battles, have good gear, and then somehow, probably eventually, you'll be able to place all of these gems, and that's why it is so important, because you can place all of these. But yeah, guys, that is going to wrap up this video on Camden Plays. I told you guys we're going to be uploading a lot. Any content that I want, or any content I think of related to Prodigy. As you can see here, we did a bit of reacting and show you guys how to get all of the gems in Prodigy, and I think it was a great video. So hit subscribe. At 1,000 subs, we're doing a Prodigy Epic giveaway, and I might also do it at 500 subs. So hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.